my name is Ederson Oliveira and I'll be presenting this video for DotNetNuke.com. And in this video I'll be talking about a problem that I'm having when I'm trying to run a DotNetNuke site in my Firefox browser. And as you can see, I have DotNetNuke own website open here, and this is the way I see it. Now, this is happening in my local system. My local system is Windows 7, and this is the latest version of Firefox. Just to double check, here we have help about Firefox, and we do have I do have a 3.6.08. If I go to Firefox website, 3.6.8 is the latest version, so this is not an out-of-date browser. Now, I'm also running IE in my local system, so in IE everything looks fine. But again, in Firefox, which is the browser of my choice, this is what I see when I go to DotNetNuke website. And not only to DotNetNuke website. Again, if I run in my local system DNN 544, for instance, I also see the menu like this. Again, not the best way to visualize the SolPart menu. Now, this might be just my problem, and again, I may have something screwed up here in my local system, but at least I found a solution for that. By doing some research, I end up going through these threads, and this was about Ubuntu for Linux, but the solution ended up working out quite well for me as well. Now here they mentioned that in Ubuntu, Firefox is seen as Mozilla. So again, I tried the solution in my local system. It did work. I can only do that in my local site because this is a site-by-site based solution. Now, here's what I have to do. According to the solution, I have to go to the site files, and I have it open here. So here's the root folder of my site. So this is the site that I'm running here. Okay, so DNN 544, and I have the site files, again running in my local system. In the solution they mentioned that I should go to the JS folder, and I should change the client API caps.config file. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to create a copy of this file. Okay, so here's the copy that I have created, just in case something goes wrong, and I can revert that back. Now I'm going to open the client API caps.config, and I'm gonna replace its content by what they mentioned here. And basically what they're doing here in this file is adding an entry that makes a reference to Mozilla as well. So again, I'm gonna open this file and replace its content by what they mentioned here in the post. So here's the file. I have now the file open in a text editor. I'm just going to go back, copy what they mentioned here, that it should replace its content. And I'm going to go back to the file. I'm going to delete everything, replace, save this, and I'm going to try to refresh my site. Again, it's looking bad. Now should look good. Perfect. So now menu is looking good again. So not sure what is happening with my local system. I've tried to install Firefox many times. Not sure what else I have to do, but bottom line is that just by replacing the content for the file under JS folder client API caps.config with this content here in this blog post, in this forum post, and I'm gonna add a link to this post in the video post as well, so you can refer back to this. So by adding this content, by replacing the current one and adding this one, it did work well. Not sure why, not sure what is screwed up in my local system, but it would be very nice to be able to see DotNetNuke website menu properly again under Firefox. Thanks for that. Bye for now.